Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Sarah, get your feet both on here. You gotta sit kind of on Thomas's lap. Bend
Thomas
your
has to
knees.
open his legs.
Thomas, open your legs a little bit more, babe. There you go. Alright, Sarah, now here you can hold on to the handles. Thomas, you hold on to Sarah. Sarah, hold on to the handles. Alright, ready?
Yeah!
Set. Go! Wait, you're going, you're going! Bye, guys!